Hello students, in this segment of the video I am going to show you the construction of triangles. In basic construction I explained you what are the basic construction which is used in the construction of the major constructions. Here I am taking the construction of triangle. This is the first type in class 9. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 cm, angle B 75 degree and the sum of sides AB plus AC 13 cm. Okay, so first of all we have to take a ruler. So before to construct the real construction we must draw a rough sketch. That rough sketch will give you how to use the steps for that. Let us suppose one triangle I am taking. This is the triangle ABC, angle B is 75 degree. So this is a rough sketch of our triangle. Angle B, this is angle B 75 degree. This point is your A and this point is your C. So this is a triangle ABC in which this is 75 degree, BC is 7 cm, this is your 7 cm and the sum of these two is your 13 cm. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the side BC, the length BC of your 7 cm. Okay, so here we are taking the BC length is your 7 cm. This length BC you have got 7 cm. Okay, and so right here the term is your B and this is your C. Okay, thereafter by using compasses you have to construct at B 75 degree. Here first you have to take one arc, and before to complete the 75 you have to construct first 60, 120, then 90. The first step we have to construct the 90 degree. So here you have to take first 60 degree, 60 degree, then you have to pick the compass, put your pointer at this place, one more arc you have to take here, that will give you 120 degree, and again you have to take upside one more arc and again you have to lift up the compass. Then you have to join this point. To construct 90 degree. Thereafter you have to bisect this 30 degree into equal part. So here you'll get, by joining these two lines, is your 75 degree angle. So this is the way to construct 75 degree. Okay, so like this you will get here 75 degree angle. Now the major steps we have to keep in the mind, how to get the point A so that this AB plus AC will become your 30 degree. Okay, so major point is how to get the point somewhere here so that this AB plus this AC will give you 13 degree, AB plus AC 13 degree. For that, first step is there, by using compass from point B, cut one arc 30 centimeter on this line. Okay, so what to do? First you have to take the compass. So this is 13 centimeter, and then you cut one arc here on this line. So this point will be any name you can put. This point you can put as suppose P. Take this point as P. Okay, thereafter by taking the line you join using ruler P to C, PC. So it's a step the PC. Okay, and then okay, now the next step we have to do, after joining this line PC, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. I know very well how to draw perpendicular bisector of any line segment, that I taught you in the basic construction. You can refer that video, easily you can get. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector of PC. Okay, now this perpendicular bisector of PC intersect this line segment, this PB, at this point. So this point of intersection is considered as the point A. Okay, so here we can give the name A, and then join this point A to the point C. So you'll get the required triangle is your ABC. Now a little justification. Why doing so? By drawing the perpendicular bisector of this line segment and this line intersecting at the point A, so why you are taking this A and how this AB or AC becomes 90 degree. For that you have to consider this two triangle. In this two triangle you will find, since you are drawing this perpendicular bisector, so this equal to this by construction, and this also is equal to 90 degree by construction. Okay, and this side is common. So by SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent, and if these two triangles congruent, all the corresponding sides are equal. So this AP will be equal to AC, and we have taken from here to here is 13 centimeter. Okay, and this part is equal to this part. So this part plus this part is 13. Therefore this part plus this part is also 13, because this is equal to this. Okay, hence this gives you the proper construction. Okay, I hope you understood.